Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to align this any of the content into the center, either on the horizontally or vertically, center of the page, whole page. Okay, let's see. First of all I will clear all the code. So I will reset this. Let's see. Yeah, here is the output. Now it's clear. First of all, we can add the Bootstrap tags in the heading. Okay, Bootstrap code. Yeah, just go to the Bootstrap website. I'm using 4.5 version. Just I'm copying CSS code and pasting here. So next, this one separate these three codes and pasting here. Okay, let me align them. Indentation for better look. Yeah, now this is clear. Clear this. See, now I will have the center alignment. Center view. Okay, so let's repeat that. This right? Let's see. Now here is the content which is in the top and left side. So now I will take one div. Okay, first of all I will take one div, and right now I will not do anything, but I will keep this content inside that. Okay. So next step, I will name this as main container. Yeah, this is the main container. Nothing happens here by adding this. Now I will give the background color and all those to this. First of all, the background color right now I will take the colors from this. And then background color is this one. You see, now the color is this one. Only colors here only the content. Okay, not only for the page. Let's see how it will change. Now I will do color code and also let's see. Now I will use Bootstrap classes methods. See, by using this, these two components will align side by side. See, to avoid this, we need to keep those two content in a div, in new div. So it will align this div into the center without affecting these two contents. Okay, yeah, see, still no change in the code. Let's see. Yeah, now I'm going to align center by giving justify content center. Justify content center. This is used to make the content horizontally center. Okay, let's see. Yeah, now something, yeah, there's spelling mistake. See, yeah, they made that into the center. Okay, now we are going to align vertically as a center. Okay, now align items as center. See, yeah, I'm running this, nothing happens because it will align into the center according to the height of this div. Because see, here we didn't give the height for this container, main container, and this occupies the space occupies only the content which had right, that is h1 tag, and also with this one. Yeah, the space have been only this one, the color will be changed. So that's why to increase this one, let's see. Yeah, we need to give height and right viewport. If I will make center, see, if I move this one, it will not come into the center vertically. It will remain on top. So this is used to make the content center. To make this text as a center element, text. Yeah, this is guys, this is the method which is used to make the whole content in the center of the page by using a Bootstrap. We need to use these both class names of the Bootstrap to make the content center. Hope you guys like this video. I think the video is useful for you guys.